If your window just took a hit and now the glass is busted or the frame's all messed up, you gotta act fast to keep things from getting worse. So, first off, don't touch the broken glass with your bare hands. Trust me, it's a mess waiting to happen. Use thick gloves or tape over the cracks so nothing falls out while you're figuring out your next move. If the frame's bent or cracked, check if it's still holding the glass securely or if it's wobbling, which means you need repairs as soon as possible. Clean up any shards around your home carefully to avoid accidents, especially if you've got kids or pets. Call a local glass repair service or a trusted contractor who knows how to handle window damage properly. That way, you're not just slapping on a quick fix. Ask about replacing the entire pane versus just patching the glass. Sometimes replacement is cheaper in the long run. Make sure the new glass matches your window type, like double pane for insulation or tempered glass for safety. Lastly, check with your insurance because some policies cover window damage, so you might get some help covering costs. One of the biggest mistakes people make with window impact damage is ignoring the frame's condition and just swapping out the glass. If you skip checking the frame, you might have leaks or drafts later, so always get it inspected. Another common issue is trying to fix broken glass themselves without proper tools or safety gear, which can lead to injuries or shoddy repairs. Definitely not worth the risk. Also, many folks don't consider the right type of replacement glass, like using regular glass instead of tempered or insulated options, which can cause energy loss or safety problems down the line. The fix? Always call pros who can assess both glass and frame damage, use proper materials, and keep you safe. BigHomeProjects.com is super handy for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, it's a great spot for contractors wanting to connect with people who need work done, making everything way easier for both sides.